Hey everyone, welcome back to Life Tips. Today, I'm sharing quick fixes for a happy home. These are super simple life hacks that make everyday living easier. Let's dive right in. Ever notice your pillows go flat over time? Here's a quick fix. Toss them in the dryer with a couple of clean tennis balls for 10 minutes. The balls fluff them right back up, like magic. Plus, no need to buy new ones every few months. Sponges are bacteria magnets. Instead of tossing them, zap them in the microwave for 60 seconds. It kills 99% of germs. Just make sure the sponge is damp. Dry sponges can catch fire. Hack number 3. Unclog drains. Naturally got a slow drain? Pour half a cup of baking soda followed by half a cup of vinegar. Let it fizz for 10 minutes, then flush with boiling water. Boom, no more clogs and it's chemical free. Hack number 4. Banish fridge odors with coffee. Bad smells in your fridge? Place a small bowl of used coffee grounds inside. It absorbs odors naturally, and hey, it smells better than baking soda. Hack number 5. Tidy shoes in a snap. No more tripping over shoes. Use a tension rod inside your entryway or closet to organize heels, flats, and sandals. Quick, cheap, and no tools required. See? These hacks are so easy you can start using them today. A happy home doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about simple solutions that work. Let me know in the comments which hack you're trying first or share your favorite quick fix. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more life hacks and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.